Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to convert a PDF to PDF-A using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. PDF-A is a special type of PDF designed for long-term archiving. It keeps files accessible over time by embedding all fonts and disallowing features that could change, like external links. It ensures that a document looks the same no matter when or where it's opened. Apart from converting standard PDFs to PDF-A, Tenorshare PDNob is a versatile tool that supports several functions, including easy conversion between various file formats without losing quality. Let's see how easy it is to convert a PDF to PDF-A using Tenorshare PDNob. After downloading the software using the link below, launch it, and you'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use Windows File Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to work with. As you can see, the software offers numerous tools and settings to edit or work with any type of document. Simply click on the Convert tab and select Convert to PDF-A. This submenu will appear, displaying details about the current document. You can also add more files for conversion here. You can change the output format if needed, and specify the output folder where the converted file will be saved. Once everything is set, click on Convert. When the green check mark appears, your document has been successfully converted to PDF-A. This means that the final document will remain unaltered and consistent when viewed or opened on any device or software. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.